at half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the St. Catherine police are on the hunt for persons who allegedly dressed up as police personnel, invaded a home and shot and injured a woman and a child on Monday morning. My wisdom warriors, what is really going on? I will believe these people. Who really believe these people? The victims were reportedly at home in Marleymount in Old Harbour about 4:40 a.m. when a group of armed men entered the premises and fired shots hitting them both. But the thing is, the St. Catherine police are on the hunt, my people, yeah, for persons who allegedly dress up as police personnel. So how them just come out with it? I'm not sure say them are not real police. I'm not sure say them are not real police. My wisdom warriors, for telling you the God Almighty truth, I believe say a real police do it. This is just my belief. Me could be wrong. Me could be wrong, my people, but I strongly believe say a real police. I strongly believe say a real police. I don't believe say nobody just up, but what kind of foolishness is this? What kind of foolishness? So are these things that happen now? Are these things that happen now, my wisdom warriors? So wait there now. So police are go around and kill people and them say and them do it. A people dress up in a police clothes. Hey, mighty God, we have a fit do to bombard. My wisdom warriors, my Jamaican people, we have a fit do. We have a fit do. That means say real police can just go around, kill anybody they want to kill, and then them blame it on people dress up in a police clothes. What kind of bullshit is this? Like really and truly, are these things we have to go deal with now? These things we have to go deal with now? Mighty God of Daniel. Mighty God of Daniel. Oh, but anyway, my wisdom warriors, then said the woman and the child shot and injured. So, if me get any more update, I will definitely let you guys know. The police are probing the circumstances surrounding the shooting death of a man whose body was found in a car on the Duns River Main Road in Orchard, St. Anne's on Sunday, April the 6th. Personnel from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, are currently on the scene of a police shooting that left 3 men dead in Grangeville, Westmoreland on Monday. Reports indicate that 2 firearms were recovered from the incident. My wisdom warriors, 3 men shot and killed by police in Grangeville. This is not a shootout, you know. This is not a shootout. You see, mighty God of Daniel, my wisdom warriors, I'm not against the police them catching the criminals and bringing them to justice. But if you just go out and hear say them man they are killer, and you just go out and just go kill them, that is wrong. That means that you not follow the rules and regulation. You not following the rules and regulation. Seriously, they are not. They're seriously not. It's like them just go around and just kill off the youth them. Seriously, that them a do. Remember good enough. Remember Sir Kevin Blake came out and say the prison them overpopulated. So what that mean? If the police commissioner go come out and say the prison them is overpopulated, what does that mean, Jamaica? What does that mean? So if we not go for some youth and the youth they never back out no gun pan uno, why kill them? Bring them in. Bring them in. Uno have a satisfactory duty of care to do so. So why not? Why not? Mighty God, me I tell you, I do not know. You see, people now realize what is going on, you know. Jamaican people now open up them rotted whole eye. Them sleep too much. They now open up them eye.
Yeah, in Ghana already.
The United States Immigration and Custom Enforcement ICE agency says 2 Jamaican nationals convicted of kidnapping and homicide are currently in its custody pending deportation. ICE said Nascimento Blair, 44, entered the United States as a non-immigrant on March 4, 2004 and violated the terms of his admission. The other Jamaican national, Neville Larry Helslop, 67, entered the U.S. as a lawful permanent resident on August 18, 1984. And of them are sitting here, them pick up themselves, gone over the United States of America, gone do. Kidnapping. Can you imagine? And then now, them have to go deport them backside straight to Jamaica. And what will happen? What is going to happen? You can't stay there, with no foolishness, because Andrew Wellness not play with nobody. Andrew Wellness and Horace Chang only want here say on the name mix up in a sitting. Dead like dog. Hey, stay there. My wisdom warriors, may I bring on straight over Rwanda right now because a pure bangarang drop. Rwanda President Paul Kagame said Monday that countries sanctioning Kigali could go to hell. Hey, Lord Jesus. You hear this, a president? This a president say any country we are sanction them if go to hell. Mighty God of Daniel. A serious things. Lord Jesus. So when Andrew wants to go chat like this, he can't chat like that to my people. A puppet. This happened weeks after some nations imposed the measures over Rwanda's involvement in the Eastern Dr. Congo conflict. So my people, this man in a care, in just a make all nation know say, if you no start on bullshit and you no want sanction for your country, you just go to hell. Mighty God of Daniel. Hey, people them serious boy, you know? People them serious boy, yeah. Before me go further, my people, I see Observer put this out saying National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang will address this evening's forum of the Norwood Community Development Committee in Norwood, St. James, as the community celebrates 0 murders in 2024. Una hear them something, my people? Chrissy, you hear these things? Trevor, una hear what going over here, so? Una hear the lie where Horace Chang I tell the people them, and then Observer, hey, Observer this as bad, I put it out. Observer this as bad, I put it out. You know why I say Observer this as bad, I put it out, my wisdom warriors? It is the same very Observer that put out killings that take place in Norwood in 2024. So I don't really understand what is going on right here, so I don't understand. And when I comment on the Observer, you know, and I make people them know, so this is a lie. Them start lab rats, them start to cuss me. Them start to cuss me. My wisdom warriors, you don't believe this? Chrissy, you believe this, yeah? Norwood celebrate 0 murders in 2024 at community meeting. So why they never show we the community meeting? You shouldn't show we. But Norwood celebrate. I really Norwood. I could never the people them were living in Norwood. I must Norwood itself. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this because you don't know say me is a girl, you know, man. Me have to dig deep. Man allegedly killed by police in Norwood, St. James, 20th March 2024. The man who so far has been identified as Diddy was shot and killed during a raid in a section of the Beverly Hills community. You know hear them something, my wisdom warriors? So how Horace Chang come out and a post up and a chat pure shit, pure fat out time out, but how Norwood is celebrating 0 murders in 2024. You know if you stop tell lie, you know? Labor right, you know, for stop tell lie. You know, for stop tell lie, man. This all them is something here. All these things. Why you not do these things? The people them who live in the area, they know what is going on, you know. The people them on the ground know say Allah will not tell. Only if you stop it, man, every day you come out and I tell life you look good. And don't want to face reality. Me I tell you, look my wisdom warriors, look on the date. And look who put it out, Observer. That's why I not understand these journalists. Them only put out things, they not do an update and stuff like that. Because if I was Observer, you know, if I was Observer and Horace Chang put out this, yes, me would write what Horace Chang write. And then me would go back for this. Then me would go back for this and said, although Horace Chang said this, yeah, this happened in Norwood, St. James, 20th March 2024. That's what I would have done as a journalist. Them people are not journalists. Them people are not real journalists. Boy, you look like everybody get by out. But me can't expect better my wisdom warriors because Matthew Samuda wife is the deputy managing director of Observer. So, boy, nothing going to change. My wisdom warriors, if you not take a good look, see me put up a next one there, St. James police seek person of interest following murder of woman. Look, you can read it and see what is going on. So, when you see these police come out and chat off their mouth, 99% of the time I lie them I tell. 99% of the time, I do not believe they're telling the truth. I don't believe they're telling the truth, my wisdom warriors. No, sir. Them two lie. That's why I did have to go dig and I say, me not believe this. And when me go, I this me buck up and I say, I have to come share this with you, no. Boy, Hey, the government wicked still, you know. Hey, me don't know, man. We have to get out these people, you know. We have to get out these people, man. Them wicked, man. Them wicked, trust me. Them wicked, dangerous people, them. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me are bringing us straight over in a South Manchester because over there did turn up Lord last night taking this.
But one of the things we have to understand is that the cameras are at the front. And when we get excited and come and jump up at the front, we are blocking the audience who are watching the live stream. So let me start by reflecting on coffee. Grammy winner Coffee says, gratitude is a must. And I want to say, all protocols observed, I will close with introducing my friend, the comrade and friend, the General Secretary. But I want to start by really thanking the people of South Manchester who have welcomed me with open arms. And I will go on to say that the only complaint I have received is that everywhere I get in messages, Comrade TJ, Comrade Peter Gay, that them now see me, them want to see me in their community. So I sat with the campaign manager yesterday and I said, it's really, I feel like every week we're on the road, we go here, there, and everywhere. I said, make us just set down some of the communities that we have visited. So in Newport Division, we've been Old England, Newport, Epping Forest, Brokenhurst, Green Pond, Top Green Crown, Surprise, Ellen Street, Blenheim Town, Swabies Hope, Topberry Hill, Heatsfield, Meadsfield, Mountain Valley, Farm, Granite Town, Edgware, Patrickstown, Woodstock, Wales, and Newfield. And if people still calling for me, then we will still have more ground to cover, comrade. In Porus, Redberry, Reesewood, Old Road, Manjo Road, St. Toulis, Ellis Street, Lineview, Battersea, Victoria Town, Cassava Peace, Mumby Retrieve, Red Hill, Spring Grove, Harmons, Trinity, Broadleaf, Hampton, Porus, Watermouth, and River Bottom. Alligator Pond Division, Downs, Blake's Pen Emporium, Bottom, East Downs, Lane, Littitz, Farm, Duff House, New Forest, Comapen, Lane, Alligator Pond, Compound, Plowden, Little Portmore, Prospect, Campbell Street, Hopeful, Logwood, Duke Street, Precious Plain, Logwood, Turner Top, Sea Ear. And in Grovetown Division, we've been in Marley Hill, Boyne, Companion, Mattis, Top Hill, Cocoa Walk, Plowden. We've been in Portia Simpson Road, Green Park Road, Pewsey Hill, Wood Street, Bossa Lane, Cross Keys, Prattville, Asia, Lancaster, Far Enough, Resource, Farm, Sweetland, Perrins, Manningsfield, and Mount Oliphant. And if you don't hear your community yet, stay tuned. We're coming soon. And you know what's the interesting thing? Comrade Jensek, most of these communities are going to, they have never met their member of parliament. They have never met their member of parliament. That is the kind of representation that they have suffered on the last 4+ years. So comrades, I want to also recognize, and maybe I could just ask them to stand quickly as I call their name. Comrade Campaign Manager, the erstwhile 4-term councillor for the Alligator Pond Division. Comrade Dalton, bro. I asked the 4 divisional leaders. Councillor Bryce, who is also the road manager. Comrade TJ, Comrade Peter Gay, Comrade Ronald. I asked the campaign secretary and constituency secretary, Grovetown own Millicent Sharon Price. I asked the campaign treasurer, who is hiding. I don't know if he doesn't want, because he's a businessman, maybe he don't want me expose me. But comrade, I will use a pseudonym. Instead of his first name, I will say Big. Comrade Big Bows. Comrade Desmond Blackwood, who is a worker coordinator. Comrade Tishana Stoltz, who is the data manager, and her second, Natalie Heron. Comrades, nobody else can fit up here, but the entire campaign team, the cluster managers, the canvassers, respect is due. Big up all of you. Big up yourself. Thank you.
My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about it. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, me go catch you in the next video, because me have whole of St. Mary for show you. St. Mary turn right over last night, my people. So uno know say me have to give uno Peace of St. Mary from a different angle. Also in a South Manchester, there is more. There's more to show in a South Manchester. So my people, uno just catch me in the next video. Alright? Blessings upon blessings. One love.